Welcome back. In today's quick Telegram guide, you'll learn how to hide your profile link when forwarding messages. This is an important privacy setting, especially if you don't want people to trace forwarded messages back to your account. By default, Telegram can attach your profile link when someone forwards a message you've sent. That means others can tap your name and reach your profile, which isn't always ideal if you value privacy. The good news is, you can easily turn this off in just a few steps. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your device, this could be the 3 horizontal lines or your profile icon. Next, go to Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your account. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls who can see your information and how your account interacts with others. Now, look for the option labeled Forwarded Messages and tap on it. This setting determines whether your account is linked when your messages are forwarded. Here you'll see a few options. To completely hide your identity, choose Nobody. This ensures that when someone forwards your messages, your profile link won't be attached. After selecting Nobody, make sure the change is applied. Once done, your forwarded messages will no longer reveal your account to others, and that's it. With this simple adjustment, you can keep your Telegram activity more private and prevent unwanted profile exposure. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to stay in control of your privacy and settings.